Good afternoon, class. For this week's discussion, I read an article on Infosys's website titled Infosys Autonomous Planning and Ecosystem of Digital Assets to Keep Winning in E-Commerce. As you know, chapters 9 and 10, chapter 10 deals with e-commerce, but in this article, it also ties in enterprise systems. In the article, the author started by giving a start on the growth of e-commerce. And it states that a fifth of spending will be online by 2024. The pandemic back in 2020 vastly accelerated the growth of e-commerce around the world. In the article, the author outlined the challenges that are faced by e-commerce. The data that is available to organizations in a market that relies on accurate and timely data can help build an effective process for forecasting demand and ensuring their brand maintains visibility in those online retail environments. Infosys created an enterprise system called TradeEdge, and TradeEdge addresses the challenges by applying AI and ML algorithms to deliver actionable insights to sales, supply chain, marketing and finance teams, presenting information in a way that is convenient to decision makers. So that goes right into chapter 9 of our text, which is enterprise systems and how businesses use enterprise systems to achieve operational excellence. Enterprise system is a set of integrated software modules and a central database by which business, process, and functional areas throughout the enterprise can share data in. Enterprise systems also provide enterprise-wide data for management analysis of product cost and their profitability. If you can recall, in chapter 2, we were introduced to enterprise resource planning, which is based on a suite of integrated software modules and a common central database. So essentially, enterprise systems. Some of the business supported by enterprise systems are financial and accounting processes, human resource processes, manufacturing and production processes, sales and marketing processes. Supply chain management is a link between suppliers, manufacturing plants, distribution centers, retail outlets, and customers to supply goods and services from source through consumption. Our text discusses two types of strategies to supply management. Push-based model, which is a strategy based on forecast or best guesses of demand for products and products pushed to customers. The second is pull-based model, which more represents what supply chain management follows today. Pull-based model, also called demand-driven or build-to-order model, focuses on actual customer orders or purchases trigger events in supply chain. And chapter 10, which introduces us to e-commerce, which is the use of the internet and the web to transact business. Some unique features of e-commerce are it has a global reach, it's a universal technology standard, the richness of using the internet, interactivity, information density, and capabilities for personalization. There are several revenue models to e-commerce. Those are advertising, subscription and transaction fees. And lastly, our text talks about m-commerce, mobile e-commerce. which is expanding at a rate of over 20% yearly and is estimated to grow to 500 billion by 2023. Mobile e-commerce has seen significant growth in the following sectors or areas: large retailing such as Amazon, sales of digital contents such as music, videos, and ebooks, and purchases through apps. So e-commerce, essentially, we use our mobile phone for almost everything that we do nowadays, from geolocation to geo-advertising. So e-commerce has capitalized on us, basically, our ways of life, what we do, how we do it, and everybody uses their telephone to do everything nowadays. Apps, as it mentions here, in-app purchases, using apps to pay our bills, etc., etc. So it's a fast-growing economy, and as it states, it's expected to grow 500 billion by 2023. We are in 2025 now, so I'm pretty sure that number has increased.